So you've worked out your sticky story. In other words, that part of your journey that's going to get your customers sticking to you like Velcro and your brand remembered for what you do. Psst. If you haven't done that yet, I have a video on that you can check out. But before you jump in all willy-nilly telling your story, it's really important that you figure out which bits are important and which bits aren't. Because if you start sharing stuff that your audience doesn't care about, they are not going to listen to the end. So, how do you figure out what goes into your sticky story and what you should leave out? That's exactly what we're talking about in this video. So grab a pen and paper because in this video, I'm going to be giving you writing prompts to help you work out exactly what goes into your sticky story and what doesn't. There are going to be 2 sets of writing prompts. The first will be for those of you who have a personal transformation sticky story, and the second set are going to be for those of you who are experts with a calling, and that's your sticky story. Hi, I'm Kate, and I've been telling stories for a living for nearly 20 years. So it's safe to say that I can spot a good story when I see one. If you are a business owner who is struggling to tell their story, but you know how important storytelling is, give me a thumbs up because that's exactly what I share on this channel. Every single week I do tutorials for coaches, creatives and heart-led entrepreneurs, showing them exactly how to use copy, content and storytelling to grow their businesses. So if that's what you want, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell so that you get notified every time a new tutorial lands. Inside this video, I'm going to help you figure out exactly what goes into your sticky story and what you should definitely leave out. Because if you put stuff in there that shouldn't be in there, that your audience doesn't care about, they're going to lose interest and get distracted. So let's go. We're going to start off with your personal transformation story prompts. Number 1, describe what your life looked and felt like when you were where your ideal customer is right now. Number 2, describe your darkest moments. Number 3, which event, incident or moment helps you find the solution to your problem? Number 4, what happened next? Number 5, what does your life look like now? Your expert calling story prompts. Number 1, what is the purpose behind your business? Why do you really do what you do? Number 2, what incident, realization or moment helped you realize that this is what you were meant to do? Number 3, what series of events led to that moment? Number 4, what specific results do you get for your customers that makes you feel so excited? So now on your sheet of paper, you will have written down the bones of your sticky story. Everything that has to go into your story, nothing else. So next up, you need to figure out how you're going to actually put it together and make it into a story that people want to listen to. Luckily, I've got a video coming up on just that. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'm Kate. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. You can check out the next one from me right here. And if you click down here, you can grab a free gift.